the bottom.
Touch the bottom.
Come on. You need your cut.
This is my first time at using this lure in this fishing line with many hooks. 5 hooks. It went down over there, and it had 4 fish on it when I pulled it up. Everyone is maybe 4 all at once, and then one more time. So I got 5 cod.
You work like a you work for a stranger, and you can treat it like a stranger.
It's about full. The seal sank?
Yeah.
After you shot it?
Yeah. Right away.
Oh, right after you shot it. It usually floats for a while?
Yeah, this time of the year.
Oh.
Because they're very fat.
Me, I ate the seal liver. Thank you. I had yesterday for the first time. It was good. Raw seal liver.
Remember, we don't eat that. I'm kidding.
It's poison.
Poison? What are you doing, Jed?